Hello everyone, welcome to this class. We're going to kick off by introducing the platform, and for this class we are going to be using Canva for this graphic design course. So all you have to do is navigate through www.canva.com and then you will get to this page. Once you get to this page, all you have to do is just try and read about the page, what they do and how they do it. Canva is an open source platform for graphic designing and video editing. But for this course, we're going to be covering only the graphic design aspect. Being an open source platform means that you can do a graphic work, and upload the material for another graphic designer to use. So that means that you can use other graphic designers' templates for your own design with a little bit modification to your own text. So let's scroll down to the footer page and see what we get. So for people that are using their smartphones, all you have to do is just go to this download. If you are using an iPhone, you're going to select iOS. If you are using an Android, you're going to select Android. Then this Windows is for people using Windows laptop, and this Mac is for people using Apple laptops. So once you download the platform into your device, you will now have to read more about the platform. You can go to this Learn More, the help center, or the blog, and read about the device and the platform. So let's go to the About page. So about Canva. Canva was launched in 2013 and is an online design and publishing tool with a mission to empower everyone in the world to design anything and publish anywhere. So that's basically it. Canva was launched in 2013. They have 100 million plus MAUs, 10 billion plus designs created by different graphic designers, 190 countries supported, 100 languages, and over 2,000 employees. So they are always available for your support if you have a question or if you have a challenge. Getting down to this part, we can see that they won various awards over the years. This is Enterprise Tech 30 Award, 2019 winner, mid-stage category. This is Google Play Store Award, 2019 Google Play Award winner, and Great Place to Work Award, 2019 winner, Australia. So you can go to the online communities, you can check the creators, and you can run through the terms and conditions if you are interested in that, so as to understand what you are dealing with. But this is a very, very professional platform to use instead of Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop takes more time to understand, but with this platform you can become a professional within a few weeks. So in the next class, we'll be kicking off by creating an account on Canva so that we can get started immediately.